So you're super excited. You just got your new Bronco. Oh my God, you've always wanted one. First time you saw one on TV, you were like, I can't wait to get my order in. Got the order in, you picked it up, and
your father's stereo blows? That's too bad.
No!
Worst audio system you've ever heard in your life. Hands down, horrible. What do you do now?
Yeah, we better phone Cabe.
That's right. What's up, it's Cape Sipes from Custom Audio Reimagined, and I was working on making a really cool commercial, or trying to, and honestly, I'm getting hit with so many messages. I'm just going to go ahead and do a little release video right here. The kits for the Bronco's door speakers are available. Everything is right here. I have kits that are pre-made, ready to go. I have been wanting to make sure I had enough of the products and enough of everything before I actually announced it. It's been live on my website for about a week. I just didn't tell anybody, but I have sold a few kits already, and I've already decided to change something in the kits just because I think it'll be a lot easier for most people. So that being said, getting hit with messages constantly, I just wanted to get a video out. The kits are available at car765.com. Now this is if you have a new 6th gen Bronco and you want to add the customspeakerpods.com, their pods to the doors. I am selling the pods on my website and the kits. My kits will also be available on his website. Me and him have both made an agreement together. I can sell his pods, he can sell my kits, because without one or the other, they're kind of useless. So the pods are available. You can get components, but he's also developed a single pod, a single speaker kit. That I need to get the price from and pictures so I can put them up, but it's in case you just want to do a coaxial on your door as opposed to a component set. Now the reason you want to do that is if you try to put a normal component set in the doors, you will not be able to fit a large passive crossover in the pod. You need to have a breakaway crossovers. That's why I use Audio Control 6.5-inch components. They have a separate crossover for the mid and the tweeter. They're called breakaways. You can put the tweeter one inside the pod. It fits perfectly. It's what I use on the instruction video. When you get the kit, there's an hour-long video showing every step, and there's also a PDF with photos and everything you need. Now the kits are $49.99, but you can also get the pre-cut sound deadener that is pre-cut and ready to go onto the Bronco's door. You can take it off and wipe it off if you ever decide to go back. These pods do not put any holes in your truck. They do not put any holes in the doors. They use the factory mounts for the factory netting that's already on your door. The wiring kit puts no holes in the body of the vehicle. We're going through the grommets. You can also order a grommet cutting tool that I offer. Gives you a perfect circle and allows you to actually take the plug, put it back in the hole if you ever wanted to, and no one would ever know that you'd cut a plug out of that grommet. Everything stays removable. The doors are completely removable. Take on, take off, unplug. If you do it with kick panels and doors, when you unplug the doors, your kick panels will still play. So with your doors off, you'll have kick panel speakers. With your doors on, you're going to have door speakers and kick panels. But I'm going to tell you right now, you're never going to hear those kick panels. The door speakers are a game changer. They make the audio system so loud, it is so much better. So I have another one coming in next week, another Bronco that's getting the full build. I'm actually going to make a really in-depth video. Maybe set up my SPL meters, sound meters, so I can show the sound difference from 10 feet away with and without the doors, so people can actually see how much more output you're getting with these. But all in all, for the pods, the kit, if you get the sound deadener and you get the cut tool, it all comes out to right at $348 shipped. So that's after tax, that's shipping, and that's the product. So then you just need the speakers. The audio control speakers, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to sell them on my site as well, but I need to check and make sure they're going to allow me to do that. If not, you can go with another set of speakers. You can go with what you want. As far as the single pods with just for the coaxials, I'm not sure what the price is on those. Obviously, they'll probably be a little bit less than the component pods, but I need to get with Custom Speaker Pods, ask him if he's got those ready, what his pricing is going to be, get some pictures, and I'll put them on my site as well. So car765.com is where you'll buy them. If you try to go there with your phone, I'm sorry, the mobile side is not working. The store will not function through mobile browser. I don't understand why. I'm going to have to hire somebody to figure it out. I'm kind of over it. So go to desktop mode if you're on your phone. And up at the top, you'll see store. Click on it, and there you go. If you want to know about the kits, if you want to know anything about it, you can hit me up on Facebook Messenger. You can try to get a hold of me through text. If you go to my site, you'll see my number. You can text it. Email, I really don't answer. I'm horrible about it, so just get a hold of me. But there you go. They're for sale. Okay, besides, thanks for your support.